let's go with the layout. It's another menu in Microsoft Word, and it's very big, and a lot of use is into it. So layout, it has three groups: page setup, paragraph, and arrange. In each lecture, we're gonna cover each one. Okay. Page setup starts with margin. In the margin, so right now, what is margin, by the way? Margin is from here to this here to this area. It's called space and margin space. So from the top and from this area and to this area, it is called margin. So we have top margin, left margin, right margin, and bottom margin. And this margin can help the document look nicer everywhere. For example, pretend that this one, or imagine that this text was in here, and then and then this title was in here. So it didn't, and one of them is in here, one of them is in here, so it's not looking nice. So that should be really good setting for them to look nicer. Let's start with margin right now. In margin, we have many different margins set up and preset, like narrow. You can see that it's narrow. You can go moderate. We have also wide. You can see wide is different so much. And we can go also mirrored. We can go to Office 203, or like normal is better. And anytime you wanted to have custom margins, so you click on custom margin, and then it comes from the top left, bottom right, and gutter position as well. You can manage that as well, and you can also have some gutter position like in here, as you can see in the preview. So that's the gutter position. You can click in here. Now there you go. There's a gutter position. So that's about it, okay? And I hope you enjoyed it. Let's go with orientation. Right now, this paper is in portrait. I can change its orientation to landscape. There you go. So again, you have to look to your project. Okay, what do you need in your project? Do you need portrait landscape, portrait orientation, or landscape orientation? Okay, so what is your project? You should really think of your project. Then we have size, where we can pick up a size we wanted, like letter smile or tablet or legal or executive or A4. So it depends on you. Now, if you are really likely to get more paper size, so you click on more paper size. So you click in here, and you go and you choose width and height. So in that way, you can really manage the paper so you can have your own. Also, we can choose page resources as well. And let's go with the columns. So in columns, you have many different colors, like 1, 2, 3, left, right. So let's go with 3 and to see what happens. So this is looking 3. So by the way, I haven't enough text, so that's why it's not really doing enough for my work. So let's increase the text with the random text in here and hit enter. Right now you can see I have 3 columns. It's available. Let's go with another one as well. There you go. It looks nicer right now. Even it looks really nicer for now. Okay, let me just... Okay, you can see right now. So this is it for the 3 columns. We can have more customization as well, like more columns. So you can go with left or you can go with right, and you can see the preview. And then if you want more columns, so you can go to, for example, 1, you can choose 1, and then you can increase the amount in here, like 4, like 5 or 6. And you can see, and sometimes in magazine that they are really doing column text. In here, we can also change the right to left direction or line between. There's looking in line between also. We have also column width and spacing. And finally, we can, if in each column width, we can customize to fit it, okay? We have also apply to, we can change the whole document or this point forward. So that's it already for the column. Another thing is break. So we can choose break. You can page break anytime. For example, let me choose this one as a F1 column so we can understand it better, and increase a little bit of the text with random text. Okay, I have chosen it with random text right now. Right now we have 10 pages in here, and break really is a very super important part of Microsoft Word. In this way, you understand how to manage and how to separate pages in order to have different header and footer, all of that. But let's start with the first one with page break. Okay, this section breaks, it works with the header and footer, and this part works with the only pages, pure pages. We'll particularly work with these ones into projects, okay, into related example that you understand it better. So page break will only page break, okay, it'll break pages between, so you can see that. This is columns, so let me just make it columns, make 2 columns, so there you go, and I can column break in here. There you go, I break column. I can click again, so there you go, I break the color. And I can go also to text wrapping. Text wrapping separate text around objects on the web pages. Now this one is a little bit tricky, okay, you should understand it. Now let me talk about it very precisely. And now, for example, you wanna separate this text from the top and bottom. So if you hit enter, it will insert a paragraph, as you can see. But if you wanted not a paragraph, okay, only text should be separated, so you can see text wrapping. So you can see that. And its shortcut is you hold shift key and then you really hit enter. Okay, that's it. So, and for the page break, it's control enter or control return. Okay, so that's it.